Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to add a cover photo to your Facebook page from your gallery using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you're refreshing your brand or simply want to create a new look, this process is quick and simple. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This action will open a menu showing your personal profile and any pages you manage. Locate and select the page where you want to update the cover photo. Now that you're on your Facebook page, look towards the top section where your current cover photo is displayed. Hover your mouse over the cover photo area, and you'll see an option appear, usually labeled Edit Cover Photo or Add Cover. Click this option. A new menu will appear with several choices. Click on Upload Photo. This will open the File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse your gallery. Find the image that you want to use as your new cover photo. Select it and click Open. Your selected photo will start uploading immediately. As soon as the photo appears on your page, you'll have the opportunity to make adjustments. You can click and drag the image to reposition it, ensuring the most important parts are visible and well-centered. Take a moment to review the placement and make any additional edits the Facebook interface provides, like cropping or zooming. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save Changes at the bottom of the editor. Your new cover photo will be published instantly, giving your page a fresh, updated vibe. A carefully chosen cover photo isn't just decoration. It's the first impression visitors get when they land on your page. Select an image that truly represents your page's personality or message. And for best results, remember to check how your cover looks on both desktop and mobile devices, so it always makes the right impact. Congratulations! You've just updated your Facebook page's cover photo using your gallery on PC. Thanks for joining and enjoy your brand new look.